O, ano na to? Let's do this.
This is also room temperature.
Swerte din ng mommy nyo, no? Kasi parang yung anak nila, best friend din nila.
And
Sarap naman magka-daughter. Nahuli.
tapos yung milk.
Ilan yung vanilla extract na nilagay nyo?
1 teaspoon.
And then the milk?
The milk is 1 tablespoon.
Teaspoon vanilla extract, tablespoon milk. O, tapos?
And then the butter is 1 stick. But then it depends on the butter, your powdered sugar. You just keep on adding until you want the consistency. Depende din kung how much icing you want on the cupcakes.
Ayoko yung ganun kakapal kasi nakakaumay.
Yeah.
Tama lang yung ano lang.
Gusto ka naman ngayon kung gano'ng kalaki yung cutting, gano'ng kalaki nga icing.
Correct.
Ano ba naman yan?
So this is confectioner sugar. Dahan-dahan.
Kahit saan nabibili yan, di ba?
Opo, any department.
Ang ganda ng lashes nyo. Kinat ba ng mga mommy nyo mga lashes nyo ng baby kayo? Did you?
Eh, natural yan.
Talagang syuko.
Pero marami gumagawa na yung pinuputol yung kilay.
Nag-work kaya?
Sabi!
Pilik mata.
Oh, yung pilik mata pala. Oh, sorry. Naku.
You all have your own cell phones.
Yes.
Okay. Nilalagay na sa lahat.
Kasi sila bumili ng mga phone nila, sabi ng mami. Bongga.
Paano? Sinave sa allowance?
Sa lawas o rumakit.
Wait lang, turn it off first para you can make another.
Straight na.
Straight, yeah. Angat ko to. Ganda, oh.
Ano mo, artista yung dalawang to. Ito, sa bagay si Julia, nag-artista na. Itong si Ate Pangilina, wala kang kabambala.
Ayaw.
Maybe.
Gusto mo?
Well, I want to finish my studies muna because I feel it's what's the priority right now.
Anong gusto mong course sa college? Kasi 11th grade ka na eh. Namimili
Malapit
na
na
at this
yan.
point. Oh.
HRM, gusto ko.
Where?
Yung dream ko sa Le Roche po, sa Switzerland.
Yes.
Switzerland.
Di ba there's an Enderon na
Yes,
ano
I
doon?
actually plan on doing it first 2 years doon muna, tapos next 2
Correct.
years in Switzerland.
Yung Enderon kasi nag-contact sa akin na gusto nilang gumawa ng curriculum for me. Na ano, and I really like. So, sabi ko, sige, sama ka na.
Go!
Gawin
Might as
natin
well.
yun. Oo.
Eh, siya yung graduate ako.
Correct. Oh, wait, you put the more of the sugar
More of the chef.
before I put this
More daw,
down.
more.
Dump some more?
You want to put more ba?
Okay na yan. Wait, pa-taste
Yeah,
ah.
parang okay na.
Okay na yan. Too much.
Okay na yan. Madam. Pero ang galing sa akin.
Tira.
Sarap. Sarap, no?
Ayan, gawa na yung frosty. Paano yung nilalagay yung frosty? Di ba yung iba nilalagay sa gano'n para bilog na bilog?
We have piping bag, but then we can just swirl it on with a knife. Yeah.
Swirl it on, sweet.
Tapos na yung gamit. Ay, gusto kong makita yan kung paano.
Magician para
Like a what? Offset spatula. Yung parang flat siya. It's like this. It's parang like a knife, but it goes up. So you won't be touching
parang
the cupcake.
ganon.
Oo. You won't be touching the
Parang
cupcake.
yung
Yung
dami nilang
pag-cut ng
alam.
cake pero straight siya.
Ang dami nilang alam.
Pero pwede naman knife.
Kayo, merong requirement of family bonding day?
Yeah, we do
You like you
naman.
go to church together?
Yes, we do.
Sundays? Or Saturday anticipated?
Some days, pero not as much as before. Kasi din busy din si Daddy. We like going kasi as a family.
Oh, tapos?
If we don't go, we have family devotions sa bahay. Yeah.
Paano yun?
Like parang
Devotion natin yun.
Sino po?
Sharing.
Daddy. And then he lets us read. Daddy, or kung wala siya si Mommy.
Uy, alam mo, ginagawa namin yung gabi-gabi ngayon. I'm reading the children's Bible to them.
Para sa akin, that's so important yung faith.
Correct. Kayo, nagsisimba kayo together with your mom?
Yeah, of course. But, not as much as before na rin, na we had to go. Pero like my mom, talagang rosary.
Kayo, do you go together man lang, kayong sisters?
Yes, sometimes.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Oo.
Kahit hindi
Kasi
sa
sa
sleep.
school nyo eh, syempre, di ba?
In our school, we have like every morning. Pero it's your choice.
Every Friday.
Chapel sa
May
inyo.
chapel kami.
Oo.
Every-
Wait, sandali, check nyo muna, baka masunog na.
Ang bango na nga.
Ang sarap doon ang amoy, fairness. Hindi yung nasa loob kasi, check muna natin.
Ang sarap barkadahin itong mga batang.
Konti na lang, no?
Almost there.
So, mga what, 2 minutes?
Mga 3 days na lang.
2 to 3 minutes, wait. I have a question also. Sa inyo ba, do you discuss like national issues at home? Like, kunyari, what happened dun sa Pablo?
Yeah.
Did your mom and dad explain it to you? And did they ask you what kind of outreach you'd want to do to help?
Well, para sa
Kasi your dad talaga, di ba? Very.
Yeah, and of course, our family is very much involved with situations like that. So, para sa akin, I don't know, since I was younger, I loved going to outreaches. Parang, Like, it makes me happy to help other people.
Ay, good.
Yeah.
Yung ano, the one that you're talking about, Connecticut, yung sa mga batang
my dad
namatay.
talked to us about it.
Na-explain din niya yun.
Yeah.
So sad.
Oo. Sa inyo, anong mga conversation ninyo? Lalo na that your mom is in public service.
Well, we watch the news together, pero it's not that kailangan niya pang i-explain. Kasi we mature kami when we think.
Bongga!
As a family talaga, so we know na we understand what's happening and what's going on, and then we pray na lang for them. Mga like that, the simple things.
Wait, I know na you guys were super close to Cloud, to Claudine,
Yes,
growing
of
up. Na
course.
parang second mom niyo siya talaga.
Yes.
Do you still see her often and her kids?
The last time we saw them was probably mga 3 weeks ago.
Ay, medyo matagal na.
Yeah, medyo matagal na, pero I mean, we still get to see her. That's important. And
Oo
the kids,
naman.
yeah, well, their schools rin, super lapit to ours. So sometimes nakikita kami in like mga grocery, yung gano'n.
Ay, saya!
Yeah.
Do you like to go to the supermarket with your mom?
Yeah.
Nakakapunta pa ba?
Yeah, I
No.
go with her.
Chloe,
I go with her.
she enjoys that.
I love it. Ay, ikaw hindi.
Okay, I love getting food. That's what I like. Pero like, hindi ako masipag sa like, paikot-ikot. I like
For aisles.
Yeah, parang, mom.
I like finding the
Okay, the grocery geek. Ano yun?
It's like, I like going around the grocery and finding stuff I can use.
Oh.
I like going to the baking aisles too, because like I get like decorations.
sure.
So, memorize mo na kung anong
check
aisle yung
again,
sugar.
Let's check one more time.
Oh, you check, go. Ganda itong mga to, saya.
Nakakaayos sila.
Walang mga ganyang kalandian sa bahay na. Cute na girls na na ang sasaya. Okay na yan. Are we gonna let it cool?
Yeah, because the icing is going to melt, but we can
Pag may
try
melt,
it with
nilagay
the butter.
Bongga.
Butter.
Okay, so hayaan natin itong mag-cool and then sa pagbabalik natin, doon natin siya ipa-frost and then tatanungin ko na lang kayo, most especially the ates, di ba? Are you strict with the younger ones? Or are you consentidora? Alamin natin yan sa pagbabalik ng Christy. Yung commercial, sabi ang gaganda yung apat. Gusto ko magka-daughter. Ang saya, no? Ang gaganda.
Akala ko sasabihin mo, ang ganda yung apat, hindi umabot sa akin.
Ano talaga? Kayo ba, ikaw, enough na sa yung pamangkin mo?
Oo naman, kota na, 5 na mamangkin ko.
Ikaw?
Kota na rin, isang ate.
Dalawang maliit, 4 na malalaki.
So,
Na
six.
parang ganyan sa kanila.
Saya, no?
Sarap, saya.
Okay, kayo, the ates, strict ates? No.
Brother's strict.
Are your brothers, sister
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Because he's older than me. Like 1 year.
I'm not very strict. Pero, I don't
Danny is strict?
Hindi rin, no. She's someone na you can talk to pa about boys, ganyan. Pero like, I don't want her to have a boyfriend yet.
Ano naman?
Ayoko.
ngayon?
Ayoko.
You are how old? 13.
13.
A baby pa daw, 13. 15, hindi na baby. Pwede na.
Hindi pa rin eh.
Oh,
I don't like, parang natatakot pa ako. Like,
Pag sa girls yata, 18 talaga, 16 pwede nang may konting paramdam
Trevor,
na.
Lou, go. How will you frost this?
Still a bit hot, but it's going to melt. But we go with halves if you want.
One lang, at least show
Ano
us.
kasi shape music ang nine?
Oo, na-curious kami dyan, yung butter.
Si Hannah, Miss Talent.
Oo.
Hmm.
May nakaka...
Yung ginagawa niya sa bahay eh.
Ayun.
Bongga. Nakatry natin kung masarap.
Ako na-try ko na nang wala pa ng frosting. Ang sarap na. So what more pag may frosting na?
I have a question kay Julia. Julia,
yes.
kaya ba may ganun kang you don't like na mag-boyfriend siya, ganun, too young, ganun?
Kasi when it comes to relationships, I'm very serious about it. Kaya, kailangan, it takes time.
Bongga, you. Kaya mo na?
Well, I think I've been close to some people, pero I don't think I'm ready pa for yung mga serious na gano'n.
Ang sarap. Uy, balik ka. Galing mo.
Ako,
Hannah,
Hannah,
is talented talaga, bongga.
ikaw na Martha Stewart ang bagong panahon.
Oh, sarap. Mmm. Okay,
Eh, kumakain ako mag-isa rito.
correct. Natuwa tayo. Ang sarap. Natuwa ako sa inyo. Hindi kayo magaganda lang. May mga alam kayo talaga, bongga.
Correct.
I'll ask the two girls lang sa inyo. Parang I feel na sobrang blessed yung mga bata na lumalaki na they see that their parents are so loving. You know what I mean? Kasi parang that will shape your view later on di ba? And yung naging mabuti talaga your dad, hardworking, good provider, and you can see that your mom and him are like best friends. So you always pray to God that thank you for what you're giving me.
Yeah, like for me, it's such a blessing kasi hindi mo alam kung how long that's gonna last or you don't, because anything can happen kasi. And then I also pray to God na the man that I will be with later on will be like my dad. Yeah, like sometimes I would think if my dad was younger, I would want to have somebody like him.
Sweet. Sa inyong dalawa naman, kasi parang, no, yung sa mom nyo medyo bilib ako kasi with everything na pinagdaanan, the two of you, ang gandang produkto. Diba, Tracy?
Yes, talent kasi Marjorie from showbiz. Now she's into politics. She's a good public servant. My friends in Caloocan loves her so much.
So, ano gusto niyo sabihin sa mommy niyo?
We're very blessed to have her as our mother. I mean, she's been through so many things in life, tapos to see her overcome these with so much strength, parang that's what I admire about my mom the most, her strength.
Yeah, for the same reasons also, seeing her like that, you know, it inspires me to be like her. I want to be as strong as she is.
Sarap no, ang ganda. Meron tayong napulot sa kanila ngayon, Poo. Diba, ikaw kahit nakailang hapo.
Malina sa pagkain ng cupcake.
Mahilig ka kumain.
Parang sila ang nakapagpakain yata sa akin ng matatamis.
Sabi mo sa akin na mahilig eh. Pero sarap no.
Masarap. Iba siya.
Correct. Parang humihingi na lang ng kape.
Grabe kami magic hand tong batang to.
Super. Will you come back? I want you back. Regular ka na dito.
Oo, Hana.
May career ka na.
Oo.
Ikaw, anong nakita mo sa kanila? Ang sobrang mulat ang kabataan ngayon, di ba?
Correct. Ako I'm proud na at
Nakaapak sa lupa.
Nakaapak sa lupa. Very humble to think that you have celebrity parents. At saka, your parents obviously raised you well na ang galing magsalita. At alaman ng open yung utak. May mga talent, malibas sa pretty. At saka hindi nagmamadaling tumanda.
Yun, tundo ako doon. Yun. Oo, ang galing, no? And ang gaganda niya talaga. Dapat every night you thank you kay God, Thank you, you made me beautiful. Hindi, totoo yun, promise. Hindi yan kababawan, Sobrang laking blessing yan from God. Ito, napansin ko lang talaga sa mga celebrity moms talaga, pag anak na nilang nag-guest, nagiging talaga stage mom. Ang cute! Dahil talaga kanina, from beginning to end, picture ng picture si Maricel. Gano'n naman talaga tayo, di ba? Ako talaga na-excite. Bakit ba? Yeah, di ba? You're very blessed kasi your parents celebrate you. Importante yun. And di ba, we should always celebrate our children talaga because they're God's greatest gift to all of us. Uy, nag-enjoy ako na nandito ka. Bagay kayong dalawa dito. Po sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet. Paalala ko lang po sa inyo this January 21 na ang Kailangan Ko'y Ikaw, part of Primetime Bida with Robin Padilla and Ann Curtis, directed by Malu Sevilla and direct Joyce Bernal. Please, manuorin niyo po kami. At yung sa'yo, di ba? Kahit konting pagtingin.
Kahit konting pagtingin, this January na rin po yan, 2030, abangan niyo lang po sa ABS-CBN. And of course, meron kami show, Queers of Comedy at the Music Museum. Queers of Comedy.
Queer.
Yeah.
Queers.
Philip Lazaro, Kim Idol and Petit. January 18 and 19 at the Music Museum. Super nakakatawang stand-up comedy show ito. See you all there.
At ipa-plug ko rin yung teleserye ng friend ko, si Apoy sa Dagat. Ayan, sa Jalica Panginoon.
Coming very soon.
Coming very soon.
Kayo?
None naman, pero follow me na lang on Twitter, Ella Pangilinan X.
Bakit X?
Kasi may kumuha ng Ella Pangilinan.
Pangalan.
Follow me on Twitter, Hannah Catherine P, and on Instagram, Hannah Pangilinan.
Aba? Okay, you.
Okay, ako na rin. Barata Julia on Twitter. Barata Claudia on Twitter.
God bless you all. Until next time po, see you sa Chris TV. Thanks, girls! Thank you!